Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Nova 8i and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on biometrics and password. And as you can see, the fingerprint option is at the very top of the list, so let's tap on it. And right now we have to add an additional screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. It is in order. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the lock screen. So you can set the PIN or you can tap on change unlock method and you can pick the pattern or the password. I will pick the pattern and let me draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm, tap on done. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the fingerprint settings. So here we can tap on new fingerprint, or we can just focus on for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So we can use it for unlocking the device, access safe, access uplock, or autofill usernames and passwords. So after picking, for example, unlock the device, we will be transferred automatically to the first step of adding the fingerprint. So here we've got also the instruction that we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of this device. So let me put my finger on it. And right now, as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Okay, now we have to enroll our finger, so just add the edges of it. Okay, and we just successfully added our fingerprint. We can rename it or just tap on OK, so let's rename it. Let me do it. Okay. And again, we've been transferred to the fingerprint settings, but here we've got some additional ones. So here we've got the unlock when screen is off. What does it mean? Just tap on it, and here you can pick the rest finger or press button. It means that if you want to unlock your device only with putting your finger on the sensor, then just leave this option turned on. If you want to set the second option, then you will have to use this particular finger from which fingerprint you've saved and put on it and press the button. So I personally prefer to rest the finger, so let me leave it like this. Here you've got also the customization, so you can decide if you want to feel the vibration whilst the fingerprint won't be recognized. It's really up to you, of course. And under it we've got the fingerprint list, we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, rename it or remove it from this level. Under it we've got the option to add new fingerprint or identify fingerprint. So this option is quite cool. If you've got plenty of fingerprints added, just tap on it, you will have the list of all fingerprints added, and after putting particular finger on the sensor, your device will highlight the fingerprint which is attached to it. So okay, that's enough. Now let me block the device and let's check if the fingerprint sensor actually works. So let me put the finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your Huawei Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.